In this video, we will learn what cybersecurity is, who ethical hackers are, and how both work together to protect our data and devices from bad people on the internet. You'll discover how hackers can be the good guys, how cyber attacks happen, and how you can stay safe while using the internet.
Hi, I am Imran Afzal. I make learning technology easy, even for beginners in IT. So I have over 25 years of experience in Linux administration, Windows, virtualization, and many more. I have taught millions of students worldwide.
If you've ever wondered how websites get hacked or how to protect your phone or computer, then this video is for you. Imagine you left your house without locking the door. Anyone could walk in, right? That's exactly what happens when we don't protect our devices. Cybersecurity is like the lock on your door. It keeps bad people out. But instead of thieves breaking into houses, these are hackers who break into computers, websites, or even smartphones. And do you know what's the good news? We have smart people called ethical hackers who help find and fix these problems before the bad guys can use them. Let's start with the word cybersecurity. It means protecting our computers, phones, and data from people who try to steal or damage them. Just like you protect your home with a lock and key, cybersecurity protects our digital world. Everything you do online, like sending messages, playing games, or shopping, creates data. This data can include your name, address, passwords, and even bank information. Cybersecurity makes sure that no one else can see or use this information without your permission. If you want to learn more about cybersecurity, then you can enroll in our course, a complete cybersecurity certification, ISC2 on Udemy. I'm sharing the link in the description box, and now let's talk about hackers. Most people think hackers are always bad, but that's not true. Hackers are just people who know how to break into computers or systems. The bad ones are called black hat hackers. They break into systems to steal things, delete data, or cause problems. But there are also white hat hackers. These are the ethical hackers. They use their skills to protect systems, not to break them. They are like digital police officers who look for weak spots in computer systems and help fix them before anyone else finds them. Here's an example. Let's say a company creates a new app. Before they release it to the public, they hire ethical hackers to test it. These hackers will try to break into the app in every way they can. If they find any weak spots, they report them to the company so they can fix it. This way, when the app is released, it's much safer for people to use. That's why ethical hacking is so important. It helps stop cyber attacks before they happen. You might be wondering, what kind of attacks do hackers do? One common type is called phishing. This is when someone sends you a fake email or message that looks real. It might say you've won a prize or that your account is in danger. If you click the link and enter your password, the hacker steals it. That's why we should never click on suspicious links or share our personal details online. Another common attack is called malware. Malware is like a computer virus. It can get into your computer when you download unsafe files or visit dangerous websites. Once it's inside, it can steal your files, slow down your device, or even lock it until you pay money. This is why it's important to keep your software updated and always use antivirus programs. Now, let's look at how ethical hackers work. They follow a step-by-step process. First, they gather information about the system they're testing. This is called reconnaissance. It's like a spy gathering clues. Next, they scan the system to find open ports or services that might have weaknesses. Then they try to use those weaknesses to enter the system, just like a burglar testing windows and doors. But remember, ethical hackers always have permission to do this. They don't break the law. After entering the system, they try to go deeper to see what they can access. Can they read emails? Can they find customer data? can they change passwords? All of this helps show how serious the weakness is. Finally, they create a report and tell the company what needs to be fixed. Some ethical hackers even help build stronger security systems to stop future attacks. Let's talk about some tools they use. One popular tool is called Wireshark. It helps hackers see all the data traveling through a network, kind of like watching traffic on a road. Another tool is Metasploit, which is used to test if systems can be hacked easily. There are many tools, and each one helps in a different way. But being a good hacker isn't just about using tools. You also need to understand how computers and networks work. By the way, we offer plenty of IT-related courses and other services on our website. Make sure to check our website, www.utclisolutions.com. Ethical hackers learn about operating systems like Windows and Linux. They study how websites are built and how data moves through networks. They also learn coding languages like Python and JavaScript so they can write scripts to test systems. It's a lot to learn, but it's also really cool and fun if you like solving puzzles. So how can you stay safe online? First, always use strong passwords. A strong password has letters, numbers, and symbols, and it's not easy to guess. Don't use the same password for every account. Use different ones for each. You can also use a password manager to keep track of them. Second, don't click on links in strange messages or emails. If it looks suspicious, delete it. Even if it comes from a friend, be careful. It could be someone pretending to be them. Third, keep your devices updated. Software updates often fix bugs that hackers can use to attack your system. The longer you wait to update, the more at risk you are. Fourth, use antivirus programs and firewalls. Antivirus software can stop many viruses before they cause harm. A firewall acts like a gate, watching all the data coming in and out of your system. And finally, learn about cybersecurity. The more you know, the safer you'll be. You don't have to be a hacker to protect yourself. You just need to be smart and careful with your information. Ethical hacking is a growing career. Many companies and governments hire ethical hackers to protect their systems. If you enjoy computers, solving problems, and helping people, this might be a great career for you. In the future, cybersecurity will be even more important as more of our lives move online, from school and work to shopping and chatting. There will be more chances for cyber attacks. That's why we need more ethical hackers to keep us safe. Let's do a quick recap. Cybersecurity is all about protecting our devices and data from bad people online. Hackers can be good or bad. Ethical hackers are the good ones. They help companies find and fix problems before someone else can attack. You can stay safe by using strong passwords, avoiding fake messages, keeping your software updated, and learning more about how the internet works. That's all for today's video. You've just taken your first step into the world of cybersecurity and ethical hacking. Keep learning, stay safe, and who knows? Maybe one day you'll become an ethical hacker too.
I hope you learned something useful in this video, and I will see you in the next one. But wait, please don't forget to subscribe.